babes, it's your girl Yana, aka Yana, aka Yana Dimension, back with another video. So today, for today's video, I'm gonna be piercing my ears because why not? I only live once, so I'm gonna pierce them. I might pierce my industrial again today. I don't know. It depends how I'm feeling after all these piercings, because I really want this ear done. I don't really care about this ear. This ear be hurting, but I really want this ear done. So yeah, let's get into this video. But okay, so what you need, you're gonna need like a cap to hold your ear, and then you're gonna need a needle, because I'm not, these hurt, these low-key, these hurt more than an actual needle, so I'm gonna use a needle. Let me open the thing. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Okay, so I got all this stuff. I got my kit. This kit, I got that off of Amazon, and then I got these off AliExpress, and then this I got at CVS, the alcohol pads. So first, I'm finna clean my ear. Oh my gosh, I'm kinda scared. I'm not though, because I've been did this. It's just, I don't know. Like this, I had the hanging thing and I want it back again. So like, it's like my ears, like they have healed so much from these piercings I've been doing to myself, but I don't care. I'm gonna do it because I want to do my freaking piercings. So yeah. I'm gonna start off with this ear first. Okay, it's gonna be like this, okay? So for the thing to do this one, I'm gonna put the actual name probably somewhere around, but the one I'm gonna do, you need a 20 gauge to do it. Oh my gosh, why am I getting so scared? Where is this coming from? I'm trying to clean it off now. I'm kind of scared. Okay, I see it where I want it. Okay, it's in there. Y'all, I go slow, so don't, like, I'm finna like speed it up for y'all if I'm going really slow. And Okay, it's through, it's through, it's through. Y'all see it's through? Oh my gosh. Give me 1 second. I need to go get the piercing thing. This one. I'm gonna just put a regular piercing in, I guess. Give me 1 second. So I found a smaller piercing and I'm sliding it through right now. And this better go. Yeah, it went through. It went through. I gotta put the back onto it. Where is the thing at? Cali is the mission. Y'all, this is so annoying. Okay, but that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. It's small, but it's cute. But now I want a third one. So these, I feel like the guns hurt more because you can't go slow. And let me see. Okay, let me clean the area again. And I've been had 3, but like I just be like, I've been had 3, but like I just be, I don't know. Oh shoot. So I'm just gonna get it. And I'm gonna, hold on, let me see right here. Wait, cause these hurt like it's gonna be a little pain. So okay. Where's the third? Do I want it that bad? Okay. Hold on. Sorry. For the amount of times I did this, why am I scared? I don't know. Don't ask. Why does it keep going to that place? You see it? Hurts. Okay. She's so funny. Okay. I'm gonna flip out. Wait, yes it is. I'm tweaking. See it? Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. See it? You see it? Yes! After this, I'm done. I think it's like a adrenaline rush or something. 'Cause this is crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm done. I got it through. Yes. Yes, this looks so cute, don't it? You can't tell me it don't look cute. Like, look at my ear. Like, it looks cute. This one, okay. We're gonna get her together with an industrial, but she's giving Pinterest. She said, and then the both. Yeah, y'all are not. But no, like, look. Real cute, real cute, real simple. No, not real simple, real outgoing. And yeah, for both of the piercings I used 20 gauge, and I used Amazon go get me right. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow my social medias. Also, shop with Yana Jewelry for the best jewelry in town. Silver jewelry at that. Yes, very extravagant there. But yeah, I hope y'all have a lovely day. I hope you, your family, everybody around you is having a wonderful day. Hope y'all are having a peaceful day, positive day. And yeah, I'm sending positive energy to you and yours. And yeah, so bye, babes.